Spinach, celebrated for its verdant leaves and versatility in culinary creations, stands as a nutritional powerhouse with an array of health benefits. Bursting with essential vitamins and minerals, including A, C, and K, iron, and folate, spinach offers a nutrient-dense profile that supports overall well-being. Rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein, it contributes to cellular health and may protect against oxidative stress. Beyond its nutritional content, spinach promotes heart health through potassium and magnesium, aids bone health with vitamin K, and supports digestive well-being with its fiber content. Here are 13 reasons why incorporating spinach into your diet can be beneficial for your health. Rich in nutrients, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, and folate. Antioxidant content. Spinach contains various antioxidants, including beta-carotene and lutein, which help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Heart health. The high levels of potassium and magnesium in spinach contribute to heart health by supporting blood pressure regulation and cardiovascular function. Bone health. Spinach is a good source of vitamin K, crucial for bone health and calcium absorption, helping maintain strong and healthy bones. Blood sugar control. Compounds in spinach may contribute to improved insulin sensitivity, aiding in blood sugar control, and making it beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Anti-inflammatory properties. Spinach contains flavonoids and carotenoids with anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing inflammation in the body. Vision support. Lutein and zeaxanthin in spinach contribute to eye health, helping prevent age-related macular degeneration. Weight management. Spinach is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a filling and nutritious choice for those aiming to manage their weight. Cancer prevention. Some compounds in spinach, such as chlorophyll and folate, have been studied for their potential cancer preventive properties. Improved circulation. The nitrates in spinach may contribute to improved blood circulation, benefiting overall cardiovascular health. Healthy skin. Spinach's vitamins A and C contribute to healthy skin by promoting collagen production and protecting against oxidative stress. Detoxification. Spinach contains compounds that support the body's natural detoxification processes, aiding in the elimination of toxins. Improved cognitive function. The high folate content in spinach is essential for cognitive function, supporting mental clarity and potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.